In this short video, I will show you how to integrate a Pear Deck assignment into your Canvas course. So let's head over to our Canvas course. And notice I've already added a module called App Integration Examples. All we need to do now is add some assignments. And so let's go ahead and use the plus sign here to add an assignment. It will be a new assignment. And let's give it a name. I'm going to call this Peardeck Teacher Paste. Click Add Item. Okay. And then we're going to go ahead and go into that assignment to edit the assignment and add the Pear Deck lesson. So edit. And for now, I am not going to mess with any of this up here at the top. You may want to add some instructions, but I'm going to go straight down into submission type. And we're going to use external tool and click the find button. All right here, you may have to expand this window so that you can see all of the external tools that are available to you. And we will choose Pear Deck. Notice it has placed the URL right inside the box already. Click select, and if you need to go ahead and fill this out, do that as well. I'm going to hit save and publish. And now it takes me to a place where I can select the file from my drive. So I'm going to click on that blue button and find my file. Click agree. All right, and so in my Google Drive, I have a file called Filmmaking, and it's right here, but I want to make sure that I'm getting the one that I want. So let me do a search. And this one, notice, says Canvas Demo. That is the one that I want. So I'm going to click on that one, select it. And I get a choice. Do I want student paste or instructor paste? And for this one, I'm going to choose instructor paste. So the slides have been loaded into the assignment itself. And I, as the teacher, can control the slides right from inside Canvas as my students are following along. And all they needed to do was click on this assignment in their Canvas course to follow along as the teacher led the instruction or leads the instruction, okay? All right, so I'm gonna go back and show you the assignment area again, and you see here that we now have an app integration example module for Pear Deck, and it is published. So I'm going to show you how to now add a student paste. So let's click the plus button again. And this one will be an assignment called Pear Deck, now student paste. And I'll just go ahead and put a due date on that. And save and publish. And then click into it to edit. Edit. And here again, I'm not going to mess with the top part, but I will come down here to submission type, click on external tool, find the Pear Deck, and there it is. Click select. And go ahead and save. And now again, we are at this screen where we get to select the file from the drive. Click agree. Let me do that one more time. Okay, And I'm going to look for that same file. And there it is. Click select. And this time, student paste. Notice how it looks different. So the students will get a student paste Peardeck lesson right inside their assignment, right from inside Canvas. And as the teacher, you can look at the slides and view responses from your students in real time at any point. You can also go to your Peardeck dashboard and do it there as well. So it's up to you. And so that is how you integrate. Let me go back to my modules. And let me add this one over here so you can see them both in the same space. I'm going to add the student paste here. So now we have two examples in the module, okay? And so when students go to their course, go to that view, they will see the Peardeck lessons there. They can go to teacher paste that you will run, or they can go to the student paste that they will do on their own. So the choice is yours, how you want to use Peardeck in your assignments. If you have any questions, reach out to EdTech. Thank you for watching.